Hello and welcome to Tech Mastery Guru. In today's session, we will explore a critically important topic, AI ethics, its principles, challenges, and governance. As artificial intelligence rapidly integrates into every facet of our life, from healthcare and finance to hiring and social media, ethical questions are no longer optional. They are central to how we build, deploy, and trust AI system. This video is your guide to understanding how we ensure that AI is not only powerful but also fair and transparent and accountable. Let's begin with the fundamentals. AI ethics refers to the moral principles that guide the responsible development and use of AI technologies. It helps us draw the line between what is technically possible and what is socially acceptable. It is a multidisciplinary field combining insights from computer science, philosophy, law, policy, and social sciences. Most importantly, it is a shared responsibility between developers, business leaders, policymakers, and the public. So, why does AI ethics matter now more than ever? Because AI is being adopted at a rapid pace, touching everything from banking apps to courtroom decisions. But poor decisions can lead to unforeseen consequences, discriminations, surveillances, and even misinformation. These ethical missteps can create serious risk for organization, legal liability actions, and damage to public trust. Getting ethics right is not just broad practice, it is strategically important. There are four major ethical challenges we need to address. Data responsibility. Are we collecting and using data in a way that respects privacy and consent? Fairness and biasness. Are algorithms reinforcing or correcting social inequalities? Explainability. Can people understand how AI systems reach decisions? Accountability. Who is responsible when AI causes harm? These questions are central to the legitimacy and sustainability of AI system. Let's bring this to the life with some real example. Amazon's hiring tool had to be abandoned because it learned to favor male candidates based on biased historical data. Facial recognition systems have been shown to misidentify people of color, raising alarm about surveillance and system bias. Like ChatGPT can produce persuasive but false content, complicating truth, and truth is digital environment. These are not theoretical risks, they are happening now. One of the most foundational pillar of AI ethics is privacy. Regulations like GDPR in Europe and CCPA in California are raising the bar. But true ethical practices goes further. It includes rethinking data storage, obtaining explicit consent, and ensuring data is used only for its intended purpose. The goal is to shift from data hoarding to responsible stewardship. Bias is AI is not always malicious. It is often embedded in the data and design. To counter this, organizations must identify bias in training data and system output. Diversify data set to better reflect the population they serve. Perform regular audits to monitor fairness over time and adjust algorithms to reduce or eliminate discriminatory impacts. Bias reduction is not a one-time fix. It requires ongoing efforts. AI governance refers to the rules, structures, and processes that ensure ethical use of AI. It includes adhering to emerging regulations, applying ethical frameworks from academic or industry bodies, ensuring alignment with organizational values, and contributing to the goals, standards, and encouraging international best practices. The goal is to make ethics a built-in feature, not an afterthought. Let's go through IBM's approach to AI ethics. Let's look how IBM operationalizes AI ethics. They define trust and transparency as guiding principles. They have a formal AI ethics board that includes cross-functional leadership. They use a framework of 5 pillars: fairness, explainability, robustness, transparency, and accountability. This is a good example of how a company can move from abstract value to concrete actions. Building trustworthy AI requires action at every stage. Lifecycle governance ensures oversight from design through deployment. Stakeholder education empowers team to make ethically informed decisions. Monitoring tools help identify ethical red flags in real time, and regulatory readiness prepares organizations for evolving legal landscape. Trust is not built through PR. It is built through practices. Looking ahead, several trends are shaping the future of AI ethics. Standards development is evolving and providing clearer guidance. Cross-sector collaboration amongst researcher, government, and corporation is growing. We are seeing the rise of ethical innovation, designing AI with social impact in mind, and there is a growing focus on using AI for social good, such as fighting climate change or improving healthcare access. The future is not just about smarter AI, it's about more responsible AI. To close, here is how you can take actions today. Access your current system for ethical gaps. Develop governance framework that suits your organization's needs. Train your team to recognize and respond to ethical risk. And most importantly, monitor and adapt as both technology and expectations evolve. Ethics is not one-time initiative. It is a continuous discipline. Thank you for watching this session on AI ethics, principles, challenges, and governance here on Tech Mastery Room. If you found this valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more expert content on AI, data, and emerging technology. Stay curious, stay tuned, stay ahead.